Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. This tutorial is about the language. Where can I find the language settings? The language settings can be found in the menu under General, Language. The arrow buttons can be used to move one menu down, or one menu up. The desired language can be selected with a tap on the language entry. The language is now active. The active language is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. In this tutorial, the language has been changed from English to German. The decimal separator may change with the language setting. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about SUNNYHEAT is available at sunnyheat.com.